Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to resize partition or shrink and extend drive partition in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, I go to this PC, double click on this PC. In this PC, I have multiple drive. I want to create a new partition from E drive. You can create a partition from any drive. I want to create a partition from E drive. I create a 15 GB partition or 500 GB partition from this E drive. It is an 1 TB drive. Close it. Now go to the start. Right click on the start. Here we find disk management. Click on the disk management and your disk management is open. In disk management, we can see our all hard disks. Here we find our first hard disk and here is my second hard disk. I go to the second hard disk. I want to create a partition from this drive. I right click on it and here we find shrink value. Click on the shrink value and I go to here and I give the 5. It is something like a 500 GB. Click on the shrink. Now here we find 500 and plus GB unallocated space. Now create a one drive from this unallocated space or the free space. Right click on it. Click on the new sample value. Click on the next. I give the entire space to my new drive. You can give any space that you want. I give the entire space and click on the next. Here we find our new drive with the letter. You can change the letter that you want. I give with the G drive and click on the next. Here click on the next. Click on the finish. Now our new drive is created. Now go to this PC. Here is our E drive and here is our newly created G drive. Okay, and it is an 500 and plus GB and it is an 400 and plus GB. Close it. Now I want to merge, or I go to this PC. Now I want to merge these two drive, E drive and G drive. That is also possible. Close it. Now go to once again disk management. In disk management, go to your newly created drive. Right click on it. If any data in this drive, make sure backup it. Right click on it and click on the delete value. Click on the yes. Now here we find unallocated space. Now I go to the new value. I right click on it and this time I go to the extend value. Click on the extend value. Click on the next. Here we find our disk and here we find our space. You can give entire space or some space. I give the entire space to my newly created drive or the extended drive. Click on the next. Click on the finish. Now our new drive 1000 dB or the 1 TB. Go to this PC and here we find 1 TB drive. So guys, this is the simplest way to resize partition or shrink and extend drive partition in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.